Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer typography styles into Figma, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your Figma application. Select the project or file where you want to transfer typography styles. If you have existing text styles in another design tool, start by collecting those styles. Note down the font families, sizes, weights, and line heights for each style you want to replicate. In Figma, navigate to the right sidebar and find the text section. Click on the Create Text Style option to begin adding a new style. Enter a name for your text style that clearly describes its use. Select the font family that matches your collected styles. Adjust the font size to correspond with your noted measurements. Set the font weight according to your specifications. Next, modify the line height to ensure proper spacing for your typography. If necessary, set additional properties like letter spacing or paragraph spacing. Once all adjustments are made, save the text style by clicking the Create Style button. Repeat this process for each typography style you wish to transfer. To apply your newly created styles, select a text layer in your design. In the right sidebar, find the Text Style drop-down. Choose the appropriate style from the list to apply it to your selected text. Continue this process for all text elements within your project. After applying your styles, review the overall design for consistency. Make adjustments as needed to ensure all text aligns with your original specifications. Document any changes you make for future reference. Once satisfied with the typography, consider sharing this style guide with your team. Regularly revisit and update your styles as your design evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.